Let me tell you something about money. It doesn't like to sit still. It needs to work for you every minute of every day. While people chase the next big stock or digital coin, some of the smartest investments are the ones you can actually hold. We're talking about luxury watches. These aren't just timekeepers, they're portable assets, symbols of craftsmanship, history, and scarcity. In a digital world, a mechanical watch is tangible wealth. The idea of watches as investments has gone mainstream. But not every shiny watch is a good investment. Most luxury goods lose value fast. Only a select few from elite brands hold or even grow in value. The real money is in knowing which watches are assets, not just expensive trinkets. Today, the market is more complex than ever, but the fundamentals remain. True luxury, heritage, and quality are in demand. People want safe havens, assets not tied to the stock market's whims. A legendary timepiece is art, engineering, and a financial instrument in one. The key is separating winners from losers. This isn't about fashion, it's about legacy. The right watch is a piece of history that could be worth more to your children than to you. That's the power of a tangible asset. A story of success and smart financial planning you wear on your wrist. So, which watch is the best investment? Let's start with the two biggest names, Rolex and Omega. So, you want to invest in a watch. Don't just walk into a store and buy the first thing you see. You need a strategy. Watch investing is built on three pillars. First, brand. A powerful name like Rolex is a guarantee of quality and demand. Brand recognition protects your investment from day one. Second, rarity. The best investments are watches more people want than can get. Top brands master supply, creating scarcity and driving up prices. Limited editions, discontinued models, and long waitlists fall to bright side. If you buy at retail and it's already worth more pre-owned, you're ahead. Third, condition and provenance. Value depends on condition. Original parts, unpolished cases, and a full set of box and papers. These prove authenticity and history. A watch without papers is always worth less. Finally, history and iconic status matter. Some watches are legends, think Rolex Submariner or Omega Speedmaster. They've been worn by explorers, presidents, and astronauts. Their stories create timeless appeal and lasting value. When you buy an icon, you're betting on a legend, and legends hold value. Don't gamble on unknown brands or poor condition. Stick to icons, in great shape, with a story. That's how you invest smart in watches. The next question, which brand delivers best? Let's break down Rolex and Omega. Let's talk about the champion, Rolex. The name is synonymous with success and achievement. Rolex built its empire on reliability and brilliant marketing. They pioneered the waterproof Oyster and the self-winding Perpetual. Rolex controls every aspect of production, ensuring quality and scarcity. They make about 1 million watches a year, but demand far outstrips supply. The Rolex crown is a symbol of one of the world's most powerful brands. Now, the challenger, Omega. Founded in 1848, Omega's history is rich and diverse. They've timed the Olympics, equipped James Bond, and put the Speedmaster on the moon. Omega is more transparent, innovative, and offers a wider variety of models. Their reputation is built on technical prowess and adventure. While Omega doesn't dominate the secondary market like Rolex, it offers incredible value and quality. Omega is for those who value horological achievement and exploration. Let's pit the heavyweights against each other. Rolex Submariner vs Omega Seamaster. The Submariner, launched in 1953, set the standard for dive watches, timeless, functional, and instantly recognizable. It's a tool watch turned luxury icon, tough enough for a diver, elegant enough for a boardroom. As an investment, it's one of the safest bets. Waitlists are long and secondary prices soar. Even older models hold or appreciate in value. The Submariner is a blue-chip stock you can wear. The Omega Seamaster Diver 300M gained fame with James Bond in GoldenEye. Its design is modern, with technical features like a wave pattern dial and helium escape valve. Omega innovates with coaxial movements and anti-magnetic tech. Technically, the Seamaster rivals or surpasses the Submariner. But as an investment, it's a long-term hold, not a quick flip. Seamasters are more available, so they don't command the same premiums. Limited editions tied to Bond or the Olympics hold value best. Buy a Seamaster for its brilliance and design, knowing it's a solid store of value. But for explosive returns, the Submariner leads. Let's cut to the chase. Money talks. As of late 2025, Rolex dominates the secondary market. After a brief correction, prices for steel models like the Submariner and Daytona are climbing again. Demand is strong, supply is tight, a Rolex is almost a currency. The outlook's steady appreciation for core Rolex sports models. No wild spikes, just reliable returns. For Omega, the story is nuanced. Standard Seamasters depreciate a bit, then stabilize. But limited edition Speedmasters, like the Snoopy, have soared in value. The Moon Swatch collaboration brought new attention to the Speedmaster line. For Omega, the best investment is in special edition Speedmasters. With Omega, be selective. The right model can deliver big returns. Buying a Rolex means buying legendary build quality. Their oyster steel is more corrosion resistant than most, and every part feels engineered to last. Rolex refines its design slowly, prioritizing reliability over flashy innovation. Their movements are workhorses, and the superlative chronometer standard means top accuracy. A Rolex from 20 years ago still feels classic, not outdated. Omega, meanwhile, is the innovator. Their coaxial escapement, developed with George Daniels, was a true revolution. Omega leads in anti-magnetic tech with master chronometer certification for accuracy and resistance. They experiment with ceramics, titanium, and proprietary gold alloys. If you value technical innovation, Omega is compelling. Rolex is about perfection. Omega is about pushing boundaries. Talk to serious collectors and you'll hear it. Rolex is the financial bedrock. It's the blue-chip stock, liquid, secure, and always in demand. Dealers say they can sell any steel Rolex sports model instantly. Rolex is the foundation before branching into riskier pieces. For safety and reliable appreciation, nothing beats Rolex. With Omega, experts praise its innovation and history, especially the Speedmaster. Omega offers more watch for the money, but investment returns require selectivity. Only certain models, usually limited edition Speedmasters or rare vintage pieces, match Rolex's returns. With Rolex, almost any sports model is a safe bet. With Omega, you need to know the story and the reference. Omega is for the connoisseur. Rolex is for the investor. If you're entering this market, follow the rules. Rule 1. Buy the seller. Only buy from reputable dealers or authorized sources. The market is full of fakes. Pay a premium for peace of mind. Rule 2. Condition is king. Look for unpolished cases, original parts, and a full set. Box and papers. A watch without papers is harder to sell and worth less. Rule 3. Know your budget and exit strategy. Don't get caught up in hype or spend more than you can afford. Decide if you want a short-term flip or a long-term hold. A Rolex GMT Master 2 might be a quick win. A vintage Omega Seamaster is a long-term play. Finally, wear your watch. These are built to be enjoyed. Just avoid major damage. Service it every 5 to 10 years to keep it in top shape. An investment should bring you joy, not just returns. Don't wear your Daytona while mixing concrete. Be smart, buy right, care for it, and enjoy the journey. Watches are investments you can live with. That's the beauty of this market. We've compared history, technology, and value. Where should you put your money in 2025? If you want the safest bet, it's Rolex. Rolex wins on returns, liquidity, and safety. Buying a steel Rolex at retail is as close to a sure thing as you'll find. For capital preservation and growth, Rolex is the champion. But Omega isn't a bad investment. With the right limited edition Speedmaster, you can outperform Rolex. Omega is for those who value innovation and are willing to do their homework. For new investors, start with Rolex, Submariner, GMT Master 2, or Explorer, in top condition from a trusted seller. It's the simple, correct answer for protecting your capital. Omega is a fantastic brand, But Rolex is a financial fortress. In investing, I'll take the fortress every time. Now, go make some money.